Bonjour. So very good morning to all of you children. So today I have started a new chapter through this video, that is lesson number 14 we are doing. Okay. You can find out in your book in page number 74. The name of the lesson is Les couleurs. Les couleurs means the colors. As you can see, there are many colors given in your book. Okay. So now in this chapter you will learn what we say colors in French. Okay. So there are many colors. Okay, lots of colors are there, but there are some basic colors, okay, that I am going to tell you today, that what we call these colors in French. Now one more important thing children, that in French colors are also divided into masculine and feminine. Now you will ask why the colors are divided? Because the colors, like if we are talking about the objects, so every object or every noun is gendered in French. So according to that gender, the color's name will also change. For example, if I talk about a chalk, okay, so I told you that the chalk is feminine in French, okay, so une craie. Now कौन से कलर की चौक है? दिस इज अ येलो कलर चौक. ओके, येलो कलर चौक. So if we are talking about yellow color chalk, so we will use the feminine French name of yellow color for this chalk. Okay, or if we say about pen, okay, any pen, so pen is a masculine. So if I want to say a black pen, so we will use the masculine color of black, okay, with pen. So because of that, we have to categorize these colors into masculine and feminine. Okay, now what are the colors? Let's begin. So I have taken total 11 colors, that is already there in your book. So in the same manner you will write in your notebook. Don't follow the book, because in book there is no table given. In this I have again divided into 3 parts. Number 1 is anglais, that is English. Then Francais, it's masculine, and Francais in feminine. Okay, so masculine, feminine and English. Now the first 5 colors you are seeing, okay, that is red, yellow, orange, pink and violet, sorry. Okay, so the first 5 colors are having same name for masculine and feminine. Okay, it means there is no difference in the masculine and feminine names of these colors. Okay, so what are these? Number 1 is red. We call red as rouge. What we call? Rouge. So for both masculine and feminine, same word is used, rouge. Okay. Next one is yellow. Yellow, again same thing. It's jaune. Jaune. Okay. So both masculine and feminine, it's jaune. Next is orange. Now the beautiful word is this, orange. In French, the English spelling and the French spelling is same, but the pronunciation is totally different. So here it is orange and here it is orange. Orange. Okay, orange. So for both masculine and feminine, it's orange. Next one is pink. Okay, pink is rose, just like a rose flower. Okay, so it's rose. For both, it's rose. And next one is violet. Violet, again the spelling is same in French, but the pronunciation is violet. Violet. Okay, so for both masculine and feminine, it's violet. Now these are the first 5. Those are having the same masculine and feminine spelling. Now white, the basic color white. So white in masculine we say blanc, blanc, and in feminine we say blanche, blanche. Okay, so there is extra h and e in the feminine spelling. If you say blanc and blanche, blanc and blanche. Okay, now black, so it's noir, noir. Spelling is different. Here we are adding extra e, but the pronunciation is same, both, noir, noir. Next one is grey. So grey we say gris and grise. Gris, grise. Again extra e we are adding here, so the pronunciation is changed, gris and grise. Next one is brown. So brown we say brun and brune. Brun, brune. Green. Green is vert, Wath. 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 Okay. And the last one is blue. So if you see the spelling of blue in English, we say B-L-U-E. In French, we are writing B-L-E-U. Okay. So the pronunciation is bleu. Bleu. Here we are adding one more extra E. So it is also bleu. Okay. So the pronunciation is same. Bleu and noir. The pronunciation is same, but the spelling difference is there. Okay. So let's revise once again. Rouge. Rouge. Jaune. Jaune. Orange. Orange. Rose. Rose. Violet. Violet. Blanc. Blanche. Noir. Noir. Gris. Gris. Brun. Brun. Vert. Vert. Bleu. Blue. Okay, so these are the colors. Now I will give you one example. I have given you an example of this chalk and a pen. Okay, so if I want to say a black pen, now children, one thing just reminding that whenever we are talking about French colors, so the color adjectives will always come after the noun. Okay, for example, we say in English a black pen. So in this we are saying a black pen. So pen is coming after black. So we are writing a black pen. So here the proper noun is coming after the color. Okay. But in French we will write the opposite of it. So we will write like this, a pen black. What we will write? A pen black. So what we call a pen, you know, it's a stylo. Okay. And what is black? I told you that stylo is masculine. So we will write the masculine spelling of black. So the masculine spelling of black is noir without E. So we will write a stylo noir. It will be like this. Okay. Now the next example I have given about the chalk. So in English we say yellow chalk, a yellow chalk, but in French we say chalk yellow, a chalk yellow. Okay, so it will be a chalk is a jaune gray. We have done it in chapter number 9. Okay, so it's jaune gray and yellow. So which color we use? Feminine color of yellow, that is jaune. So it's same because dono mein same hai, so it doesn't matter, but we use the yellow one. So it's jaune. Okay, so you see the difference? Okay, why we have categorized into masculine and feminine? Okay, so un stylo noir and jaune gray jaune. So I hope children this is clear to you. We will do more practice of these examples, okay, in our Zoom classes. So let's revise once and all these names, all these words, and then you have to write down in your notebook as well. So that's it for today. Au revoir.